Good afternoon, YouTube. It is afternoon here where I'm shooting this video in nice sunny Florida. So today we're going to be going over an electrical problem on a 2015 Chevy Cruze I bought just to piddle around in my job. And I'm going to turn the camera around and take it so you know that this is the car. And it's got a 1.4 liter turbocharged engine, which I've already done a lot of work to. The car wouldn't start, and as you can see in the front, I was hitting the front end. I'm going to put a new front end on it. But right now I'm working on the motor. And what it brought to me, the car had an electrical issue, and it wouldn't start. So I didn't know much about these Chevys, and I'm frank with you, YouTube had like zero stuff on this stuff, according for the Cruze. I did some research, and there was some other videos, especially Silverados, and I think one on an Equinox. But I want to go over today, hopefully it will help somebody when their car doesn't start. So the customer, or the lady that had it before, she had replaced the battery. So the battery here was very new. So the battery was new, but the car still wouldn't start. So in the old days, everything would click. Everybody immediately goes to the starter. You know, so when you would turn the key, it would go click, 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 and nothing would happen. So I went and pulled my hair out, and I bought a starter from Rock Auto. I installed it. Same problem. So maybe it's just another starter. I checked it. Starter seemed to be fine, so I just tried another one. Took apart half the motor, put it in, nothing. Took it out. I said, well, that's not the problem. So then I started looking at the fuse box here and the relays. So we went into the relays, which are in this box here, which I'm not going to open up, but there's one relay and there's one fuse in there. And I replaced them and nothing happened. Then I watched a nice video on there. I wish I remember the guy's name. I tried to jump the relay with a jumper cable and nothing happened. So I had traced the problem back to this, what we call a top battery power block, fuse power block, which is here. And, or it could have been the neutral safety switch and the transmission. So I said, let me just do a continuity check. This is after like 4 days, man, going back and forth. So I don't want you guys to spend 4 days. So this is the old power block here. And I'm going to show you a quick little test you can do with a multimeter to find out, you know, if this is the problem. It's not electrical. It's just a continuity test. You want to set your ohm meter to sound. And all we're going to do is check the continuity in the top. Now, the GM, as far as I know, is the only people that has this, what I call power block or fuse power block, at the top of the positive side of the battery. Now, according to the dealership that I got this from, and actually wasn't a bad price, I didn't think 80 bucks, because the Chinese ones were 30 or 40, and they have one in stock. These go out all the time. Now, I did some research, and I found out that this is good for 2011 to present Cruze, Impala, Malibu, Equinox, and Silverado. So this fuse block is good. I know some of those models as of 21 are not being made anymore, but up to that point of that vehicle, they have this power block. So if your car, if you get in there and your battery's good, and that thing is just clicking and it won't turn over, a couple of things it could be, but this is like the second thing to check besides the battery. So I'm going to show you real quick, and all you do, I'm going to show you some good points and bad points. And I'm going to try. Okay, I had to get my little stand here so I can show you guys the continuity test. So this is all we're going to do. Doesn't have to be powered up. Okay, you're just going to run a test. Hope you can see. I'm going to put my two leads here. It's on the sound. And we're just going to see this continuity all the way through. Okay, so this one's all good. Everything continued. Okay, again, it doesn't have to be plugged in. I'm going to shut this We're going to put the old one on top, and I'm going to show you what happened when it failed. So here was good. And this is where the problem was. Nothing. So this fuse right here was bad. 250 amp. No good. So that was the problem. And that's how I found out why it was clicking. So let me turn this around and show you. Okay, so if you're having this problem and it's clicking, this may help you on any one of these vehicles. Silverado, Cruze, Impala, Equinox, Malibu, any of these cars, 2011 to present day 2021. I guess, I don't know what the purpose of that thing is. I guess it's high power stuff to run all the technology in there. But anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a good day.